Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another episode of Baba's Halal Kitchen. I'm Hussein Baba. I'm still continuing with my Egyptian cuisine. Okay, so today I have a guest with me. I'm not doing the cooking. The guest is going to explain to me how he's going to go to dish, and I'll leave it to him to say what the dish is. So come back to you shortly. Okay, welcome back. Now, today I got Brother Saad. Brother Saad is my first cousin's husband. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam.
Walaikum salam. Walaikum salam. MashaAllah, he's going on strong. He's in his 70s. He's used to be in the military. He's an engineer, right? But he always had passion for cooking. So when I was here, he said, I want to do one episode for Baba's Halal Kitchen. So I said, no problem. So,
No problem, yes.
Brother Saad, what are you going to cook today?
Baba Ganoush.
Baba Ganoush.
You can make Baba Ganoush as appetizer or as a salad.
As a salad. Okay.
Yes.
So what do we need to make Baba Ganoush? Let me go through. Okay. Cameraman, can you come closer, please? Now we got the onion.
Yes.
Green chili. Oh, it's not chili actually. What do you call this?
Big.
What do you call it in Arabic?
Filfil.
Filfil. In America they call filfil. In Egypt. In Egypt they call it filfil. And of course, this is the eggplant or brinjal, right?
Yes.
And then what is this? Look, a parsley.
Yes.
Okay, parsley. And then coriander powder,
Coriander,
sliced lemon, garlic, vinegar, oil, and salt. Yeah, and maybe
and
some
this is tahina.
Oh, no, tahina. Okay, this is tahina. Okay, we need tahina. Oh, a lot of Arabic cooking they use tahina, right?
Yes.
Lebanese cooking and all that. Okay, so show us how you're going to make Baba Ganoush. You know my name is Baba, right? My family name is Baba. Your wife's family name is Baba too.
You know, Ganoush in Lebanese
Yes.
means dalla.
Dalla means? Cameraman, what's Dalla mean? Spoiled, huh?
Yeah.
Well, it is Baba Ganoush. What I hear is Baba spoiled. Ganoush means something similar to spoiled. Never mind. As long the food is good, we love it. Alright.
Okay.
Brother Saad, show us how you're going to cook. What do we need now?
Now at first,
Yes.
we have to put this
Yes.
and this
Okay.
on the
Oven. Okay, you want to roast it.
Yes.
Oh, they have to be roasted. Okay. Cameraman, we have an oven. I'm just going to turn it on. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alright, we just put it here. I just put it. Okay. Now it's time. The brinjal and the onion is already been cooked or roasted. So I'm going to take it out from there. Let me open it. Okay. Oh. Alright. Okay. It's very hot. Very hot.
Yes, we have to get the skin out.
Okay, so just the skin out, that means you
Yes.
peel the skin, huh? Like this?
No, by hand.
Or by hand? Okay,
Yes.
alright.
It's easier.
The flesh from the, see, we don't need this, we don't need the skin, right?
No need.
Okay, so what we do, we just take peel off all the, okay, more here.
The onion, yes.
Get this part. Okay. Alright. So we got onion and then we got the brinjal, right? Okay. So what's the next step?
Next step, we have to put in the mixer.
Okay. So just okay, brother Saad. So now what we do? We put the eggplant. Okay.
And the onion.
Onion, yes.
And add
Lemon?
Lemon.
How many? Just one or
Two.
two?
It's better.
Just squeeze the juice, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
You have this if you need.
Oh, that's good.
Yes.
This is more handy. Okay. So what we do is just put it here. Ah, that's good. And you know, by the way, Egypt have one of the best lemon. All right. They're small, but they're dynamite. Okay, they're really good. So once again, here we go. Cameraman, can you come closer? Ah, look at the juice coming out. Okay. All right, that's done. So what else we need to put? Anything else?
We put this.
Also this?
Yeah.
Oh, that means you need 2 lemon.
It's better.
Better. So it make it more sour. Okay. Okay. All right. Done. So
We put garlic.
we put garlic. We put all the garlic.
No,
or
no.
Just
Little.
little like this.
Yes.
Okay.
It's okay.
All right. Okay.
And
Oil?
maybe 2 spoons.
2 tablespoon.
Yes.
1, 2. Okay.
Enough.
Vinegar.
Vinegar.
How many tablespoon?
Maybe 4 spoons.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
It's enough. And this.
The coriander powder.
Yes.
Do we put all of them?
No.
Okay.
It's a little.
Maybe looks like 1 teaspoon, huh?
Yes.
Okay, 1 teaspoon. All right. We need to cut this. Okay. That's right.
Yes. Okay.
This side's okay, huh? So put all this into here. Huh?
Okay. And put this.
We put this. Okay.
Little, okay.
Little, huh? Okay. All right. That's done. Anything tahini?
This salt.
Salt. A bit of salt. How much? 1.
It
A bit more. Okay.
depends. What
Yeah. Okay. It
goodness.
depends. Right. Okay.
More.
More, you want more? Okay, you want more, alright. So put some salt. This is salt, okay. Don't make it too salty.
No,
Okay.
not salty.
Alright, this one.
Okay. This
Tahini.
one now, tahini.
How much tahini?
I tell you, just.
It's a bit thick at the
drop.
bottom. Watch it.
I tried.
Okay. 1 tea.
No. By the bottle.
By the bottle. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, now. Is that alright? It's almost going to finish.
Okay.
Put the whole bottle?
No, enough.
Okay, alright. Just enough. And then. Oh, look at the smell. Look at the smell.
We'll start mixing.
Yeah, I know, but already the smell without. Okay. So we have put all the ingredients here. Now what we're going to do? We're going to look at that. Okay. Press here.
Yes.
Just hold it. The old-fashioned way. This was 1970s. Enough. Done. Okay. Now what do we do?
Now we are ready
Transfer it to
taste.
Oh, it's like a paste. Okay. You sure no need to grind more?
No, it's enough.
Smells good. Yes. Okay. And transfer some, not all.
It's good appetizer.
Smooth appetizer. Yes.
Yes.
Well, it's all done. You saw how easy peasy? As I told you, my show is NED, N-E-D. Nutritious, easy and delicious. Look at that. Look at that. This is Baba Ganoush made by Brother Saad. Alright? So, the thing is, we have to taste it. How am I going to taste it? With roti or what?
You can use bread.
Bread, okay.
Yes, it's
Alright.
better, yes.
We'll get a bread and we'll try with the bread. Alright? Now, you saw how we made Baba Ganoush Brother Saad's way. So let's see the taste. I'm going to taste now, okay? Alright? Okay. Now, of course, I'm using this is what, Egyptian bread?
Egyptian
bread. And I'm going to take a bit of Baba Ganoush and then mix it here. Okay. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Good, very good.
Alhamdulillah.
You know why? I can taste the freshness of the vegetable. I can I can feel the taste plus some the fresh vegetable bean.
And the grilled.
The grill, I can feel the grill and roast, something
Yes,
roasted.
yes.
So it's a mixture of fresh vegetable, grill, and the cream mixed together. Give a really special taste.
And the lemon
Yes.
give a very good and strong taste.
No, yes, that's I can feel. I like sour. No. Okay. Bismillah. Really good.
Alhamdulillah.
He's a trained engineer, but he's also a self-taught cook.
I'm fond of cook.
He's fond of cooking, right? Just like me. So thank you so much. I really
You are
enjoy it.
welcome.
Next time, what can you make for us?
Many things.
Many things.
Yes.
Okay. Next time, inshallah, when I visit Egypt, please cook some more.
And especially for tahina.
Yes.
Maybe some people they cannot find the tahina in their cities.
Yes.
We can make it together.
Yes, of course. But
Yes.
now in most of the countries they have the ready-made tahina. Ready-made,
Yes.
The supermarket you can get it, so it's
Okay.
easy.
No
Now
problem.
everything become very easy. But of course, not like the natural way. The natural way is the best, right? Okay. So audience, you saw how we cook and it was really delicious. So please try to cook by yourself and you can feed your loved ones, right? Especially the men out there. You can learn. Look at the man. He's a professional man, but he still cook for his wife and children, right? That's right. That's the way to go. Inshallah, we'll see you soon. Assalamu alaikum. Happy cooking.